Hello everybody, today we're gonna have a new Photoshop lesson. We'll learn how to remove an object or person in seconds in Photoshop. As you can see here, we're having our program. We'll go to File, Open, and we'll go to our photo that we need to remove an object from it. So as you can see here, we're having a person walking by on the beach, and we need to remove him. We'll go to the Object Selection tool. We'll select this person. Okay, then we'll go to select, modify, expand by 5, then press OK. Then we'll go to edit, fill, and we'll choose content aware and OK. So as you can see here, the person disappeared. Then to deselect, we have to press Ctrl D. And now we remove the person from our photo. In order to just make some correction for the colors, we'll go to image and auto tune. And now our photo looks perfect, and we removed the person that we wanted to remove. Thank you all for watching, and wish you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.